Hey guys, for today's video, I will show you how to fix iPhone screen glitch issue. So one solution would be to disable the automatic brightness feature. A lot of iPhone users have reported that they were able to resolve the issue of a flickering screen by turning off the auto brightness feature. So to disable auto brightness, you can open the settings app on your iOS device. Scroll down to find the display and brightness option, and tap on it. To turn off auto brightness, you can toggle off the automatic option under the display and brightness. Another solution is to reset all settings on your iPhone. So to do this, you can open the settings app. Scroll down to find general, tap on it. Then swipe down to find reset and tap on it. Finally, tap on the reset all settings at the top of the page. After tapping on reset all settings, you will need to confirm the process by tapping on the option again. Please note that this process may take some time to complete. So it's recommended to let your phone finish the job. So there you have it. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe.